welcome again to my channel. Tonight I'm going to do a Seben, which is very, very simple. I like making Seben very, very simple. But the particularity of this Seben is that it will transpose. We will play a Seben on two different keys. So I'll call it a Seben, a transposed Seben, or a Seben which is transposed. I'm just trying to expand your understanding on doing Seben, that you can actually make rules. You are the one making rules and respect them when you are playing Seben. A good pattern, which if you agree with all your band members and make sure that people dance to your tune. So let me do it alone, and then later on, I will bring in Christian, the king of Seben, and we will play together, and I hope that you will enjoy yourself. Thank you so very much. Okay, I know the music has decided to stop. Now, I want to show you exactly what I'm doing, which is it will be a bit different when I'll be playing with Christian, the king of Seben. There are a few things that I've decided just to add to bring good flavor to this Seben. So I just want to show you exactly how I was doing it very slowly so that you can learn, and then we can play together. We can enjoy a good time together. So the first pattern is on key D. So this is key D, perfect. You remember first inversion and then second inversion. The second inversion. So here is where I will start my first pattern, which is, I hope you can see the third string and the first string. Okay? Okay? Then, okay? Then, this is the way I was playing. Of course, it will be a bit different later on, but if you get it this way, That's what I want you to get. You start. Then to the first inversion. Then okay, let me go a bit fast. Okay, I forgot that part when I was showing you. When you start, then okay, let me go fast now. You get it now. Okay, that's the first pattern on key D. And then we just decide to move to do what we call in French détente, our détente. Now to go to this now second pattern that we have agreed to play. It is not on a different key, which is A. Now this is A, perfect, first inversion, second inversion. All of them, we will be playing them on second inversion. But now, I just decided to play it in one place, which is fourth string, then second string, then first. You can see? Then you see, which is D, no E, okay? A, I go slow. Very simple, in one place, no many complications, but the Seben is just nice, okay? If you play like that, that's simple, the Seben will go on. Remember, you are not the only one playing. You have the drummer, you have the rhythm player, there is a keyboard player, there is a bass player. So you are kind of combining. Even if you play a small thing, as long as it is sweet, keep it just sweet, the Seben will be all right. Okay, let me play again once alone, and then we'll play with the King of Seben. you've enjoyed yourself. Remember, keep the Seben simple and sweet. And work on your own Seben. As I'm working on mine, I'm encouraging you to be confident enough to work on your own. And in case you want private lessons, you can send me a message and we can chat. Yes, I am available. God bless you. I love the Lord. I am born again. Christ is my Savior. Yo. Welcome again to my channel. Today I have decided to feature my young brother,
Christian, the King of Seben.
Yes, Christian, the King of Seben. You know him already, a very seasoned, the best player. And today we are just enjoying ourselves. We did not prepare much. Just improvisations and trying something. And just a Seben. Because he's the King of the Seben. Let me try again to...
No, tell them, don't forget to subscribe after watching
this
video.
Yes. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel, but also to my channel. Okay? Don't forget. Okay, thank you.
Salibok.
Yeah.
The best soloist in the world. Wow. Go.
The music has decided to stop.
Faut pas oublier de vous abonner sur nos chaînes YouTube. Partout où vous êtes en Europe, au Congo, à Boubembe, à Fiji,
Don't forget. Okay, just enjoy yourself. Seben is all about celebration.
David Muasanya Salibok.
Christian, the king of Seben.
The best bassist in
the world.